Hi everyone, today I'm going to practice the consonant sound W. Wind, where, when, why, what. Win, want, window, windows. One, watch, quiet, quit, quick, quality, quality. Queen, wing, with, which, was, work, were, would, we, water, water, weather, winner, wonderful, wisdom, winner, winter, twice, 20, swim, 12. Practice sentence. Practice sentence. 1. Swimming is good exercise. 2. Where the world, where the children. 3. He always washes his hands before he have eating. 4. Winston Churchill was a brave soldier in the first of the World War. World War. 5. We will wait until the bus arrives. 6. Bruce Lee used to work as a waiter at a restaurant. 7. Walking is good for your health. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. See you later.